In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your IBAN number on Wise, the international financial service that allows you to send, spend, and manage your money across borders efficiently. Having your IBAN, or international bank account number, is crucial for making international bank transfers and receiving money from abroad with ease. So, let's dive into the simple steps of finding your IBAN number on the Wise platform. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wise homepage. Once you're on the homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. If you're new to Wise, you'll need to sign up by following their straightforward registration process before proceeding. Now, once you're logged into your Wise account, take a look at your main dashboard. This is where you have an overview of all your accounts and balances. Here you need to focus on your euro balance because this is typically the currency that would have an associated IBAN within Wise. So locate and click on the euro option. This action is crucial because the euro account is tied to international banking functionalities, including the presence of an IBAN number. After clicking on the euro account, you'll be redirected to a page that details your current euro balance. Below the listed amount, you should notice some information about your account details. This section features vital details, including the much-needed IBAN number. It's usually displayed prominently so that you can easily identify it without having to search further. Once you've located your IBAN number, it's a good idea to copy it carefully. This is important for ensuring that all your transactions go smoothly, as any errors in entering this number when making a transaction could lead to failed or misdirected transfers. If you plan on using it frequently, consider saving it in a secure location where you can easily access it, while ensuring your data privacy and security. And there you have it. Retrieving your IBAN number on Wise is as straightforward as that. It's quick and simple, just as managing finances should be. Remember, if you ever face any challenges or have questions about your account, Wise's customer support is available to assist you. Thanks for watching this instructional video, and I hope you found it helpful in navigating your Wise account effectively. Happy banking!